Working at the first Chilean winery is a major challenge. The fact that Carmen has been part of the wine industry since 1850 implies that our essence has always been our drive to go above and beyond, to discover new ways of doing things, our capacity to reinvent ourselves. What does it mean to reinvent yourself? Perhaps it has to do with our capacity for adaptation. Would always maintaining my identity, a single essence, though with a broader perspective. And then you add all this up, you process it, you recognize your contribution to the process, and finally, you manage to express that identity with the understanding that to go above and beyond, you must first understand where you come from. This is what we have sought out to do here at Carmen. The Maipo Valley is a one-of-a-kind spot for Cabernet Sauvignon. It is located at the foot of the Andes mountain range, with a great diversity of soils, altitudes, and exposures. My goal is to interpret this place through different types of wine that reflect the essence of Alto Jahuel en Maipo. It is not a coincidence that we have been recognized countless times in the most prestigious publications. And for this reason, we feel like the kings of Cab. It is not enough to be the first winery in Chile. We know that. We have recognitions and experience. We produce wines with identity, taking into account the importance of terroir, the relevance of preserving our history, while at the same time remaining open to reinvent ourselves to be better than we were yesterday. And that is what we're recognized for our innovative capacity, because we are Carmen.